I wanted to show you guys today how to make a Loom video. You have to make a video of your presentation for your gas law phenomenon. And we're going to do a test today, I'm going to assign you a test run that you would have to complete by Monday. So if you go into... Everything's really slow in my house right now. Into our learning for April 17th, I have a test, not the real thing, just a quick little, I want you guys to make some kind of a screencast and upload it and just make sure everything's working for you. So in this same folder, I have a help page and then the links to what you need here. Before we try to go into Loom this way, and I don't know if this is necessary, but this is what I've been reading on the tutorials. You want to go in, make sure you're using Google Chrome, and then you will go into the apps over here, and then go to the web store, and you're going to look for Loom. And then this is the extension that you're going to add to Chrome. So once it's been added, this is the part where there's a video in the tutorial where the woman uses this, but I was finding that didn't work. So if you can make that work, that would be awesome. But you have to... I believe if you go into the Loom website, then you can use the extension here. I don't know that you need the extension because I think you can just make the video here too, but when you click on the extension, it does give you the options, and I do want you to video yourself the way I'm videoing myself, with mainly the screen, but with a little small picture of yourself in the side. And then I'm going to pick full desktop. And then I'm going to start recording. So I would pick my screen. And then this would be me making my recording. So I would record this, and the test record doesn't need to be very long, just to see that you know how to do this. And then when you are done making the video, there should be a stop sharing down here that you push, and then the URL of the video you just made is over here, and then I would copy it and then go back to our page and go back to April 17th. And this is just a test run. You would go into the assignment, click on this, it'll make a copy for you. And then I'm going to insert my link here. And I'm just going to call my link the same thing. And then that's it. So that would be how to make a video using Loom.